What's up and welcome back to the channel. For those that are new here, my name is Taylor. This is the 907 Fantasy page. This is where we profit off of sports. So we got some good games on today for Thursday Night Football. We have Baltimore at Miami in the NFL. Lamar Jackson should be back for that game. Baltimore is favored by 7.5, over under 51.5. And then we got some good ones over in the NBA as well. If we take a look at the schedule here, today we have right here Orlando at Charlotte, Golden State at Milwaukee. That should be a good game. Washington at OKC, and then Miami at San Antonio. So those are some good games. Take Oklahoma City money line there. They're going to blow out Washington, especially at home. Favored by 15.5 there already. So take that. Well, let's hop into what we are playing today. If you guys are new here, you guys can go over here and get on Chalkboard. If you guys aren't already on Chalkboard, use the code 907Fantasy. They're going to give you a free $20 just for signing up and using that code. No deposit necessary there. Same with Sleeper. They're going to give you a free $20. They're also going to give you this Victor Wembanyama free square. He scores 1 point, you win. Add that to any of your entries here, and then you can cash out on that. Use the code 907Fantasy over there. Dabble is going to give you a free $25 just for using the code 907Fantasy. And then BETR, they're going to give you a free $10 plus a $200, up to a $200 bonus on your first deposit, plus this Tua Tagovailoa free pick, so you can add that to any of your entries there to have a nice easy boost out there. Like I said, use the code 907Fantasy. All those links are down in the description below if you need any of them. So go over there, get locked in. Taking a look at the board today, if you guys want to get on VIP, you can get on VIP Gold Level or Full Week Pass with 50% off with the code NBA. Or I just opened up this Halloween special, so it's going to get you all the plays from today until Saturday through the Halloween special here. So that's $15, limited to the first 10 people there. So make sure to get on that or on any of the other plans. Go over there to the Winible and subscribe to the free plan especially. If you guys haven't already, I ask that you please go down in the description or go down to the video below, like it, and subscribe to the channel. Hit that little bell notification. That really does help me out. So let's hop into the free play for today. And we got one in the NFL today. We got Devon Achane and Zay Flowers. And then we got one in the NBA. So stay around for both of those because we're going to cash out on both free plays today. So Achane over 80.5 rushing plus receiving yards. His normal line's at 101. If we come over here and take a look at what he's been doing, we'll take a look at PRIZEPICKS here. So if we go over to NFL and rushing plus receiving yards, taking a look at Devon Achane, he's averaging 97.2 over the last 5. So I like that line there at 80. Take the over there. They're going up against Baltimore, which doesn't have a great defense. Neither does Miami, though. So should be a good high-scoring game there. And we're taking Zay Flowers over 40 receiving yards. So he has gone under this line in quite a few games here. So we look at the receiving yards here. We come down here to Zay Flowers at 40 yards. Let's move that line here. 40 yards here. He's gone over this in 4 of the last 5 with 63, 46, 72, and 74. So he's averaging 53 over the last 5. So I'm loving that over, especially against Miami's defense. Take the over there. So that is the free play for the NFL today. We're playing this over on BETR. Like I said, if you're new to BETR, use the code 907Fantasy. Use that link down in the description below. They're going to hook you up with $10 plus a Tua square, so you can add that as well. But let's hop into what we're doing for the NBA. And we are going Giannis Antetokounmpo over 27.5 points. So Giannis, his normal line's at 31.5. Coming back over here. Points for Giannis. He's averaging 35, and he has gone over this line in 5 of the last 5 games to give us over that 27.5 points. Going up against Golden State today, he should have an easy time. Golden State doesn't have very many bigs that can stop Giannis. So I'm liking that line there, 27.5. And then we're matching that up with Colin Knuppel over 7.5 points. So if we take a look at Con, he is a rookie this year, but he's been playing good minutes for the Hornets. Where is he at here? Con right here. So he's went for 19, 20, 14, and 11 in the 4 games that he's played so far with the Hornets. So I'm loving that line at 7.5 here. He's been averaging 2 threes a game there. So give me 2 threes in a bucket. And so we can take a look at his 3-pointers here. That's still points. Change to 3-pointers. Con. So he went for 3, 3, 5, 5. So he's averaging 4 3-pointers made. So give me 3 3-pointers made, and we cash this one. So I like that line there. That's a great 2-man there. So make sure to go get that locked in over on BETR. So those are the 2 free plays for today. We got Devon Achan and Zay Flowers, and then we got Giannis and Con Knupel over on BETR. So good luck with all of your plays today. Let's go have a great day. If you guys want any of the VIP plays or any other plays, make sure to go over here to the Winible, get on the free plan or the Halloween special, and get all the plays through Saturday. Or you can get on the VIP Gold Level or full week pass there. So good luck, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow for some college football, NBA, whatever else is going on. So good luck, and we'll catch you guys then. Peace out.